This is part 16 of Angular 14 series, and in this session we'll learn about how to refactor core stubs and also how to use service components, pipes, directive from the core module to app module. So let's get into the code. So as you can see here, like constants, core and pages folders are there. So inside core folder, whatever stuffs are there, those stuffs instance always to be one. I mean singleton instance. Okay, so during page load, we need to inject the instance, or you can say service or components or directive inside this app module, right? So for core, if you see the whatever services are there, those service always decorated with provided in root. It will be registered by the root level module, but these components, directives, these are not registered, right? So these are registered inside this app module. Okay, that file path and account component, dashboard component, all the things. Okay, but I don't want for every core components I need to register separately inside this app module. What I will do, I will create one module here. Let's create it through CLI. Okay, nggm, you can say inside root only. Okay, so inside the root of this core folder, core module is there. Okay, what I'll do, I will attach this app module under the things, account component, these are the things. I will cut it and paste it over here. Let's import all the things. Right now these components should be available outside of this module. So for that, what I need to do, I need to export this as well from this module, and then service not required because that is already decorated with injectable, and the common module, that is not required here. Now I guess all are fine here. Now let's go to the app module and remove all the things from here, and instead of here I will add the core module. Okay, and this HTTP client and app routing module, if I go inside this app routing module, okay, app routing module to be here only, let it be, but let me remove this HTTP client module. I will export it from here. Let's import, and this also should be available outside HTTP client module, and other things is there. Let's cut all the things. That's cool. Now just run the application. After running this application, some of errors are coming. So what are those errors? Root outlet not able to found by this account component, and these are the things. Okay, let's router module, right? So what we need to do here, I need to inject a router module as well to export it. Now let's save and see the output now. Okay, now everything is fine. Now open the browser. Yes, fine. So now everything is working as expected. That's all for the day, and we'll discuss about that Angular material in my next upcoming session. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.